Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ ayélujára ti òní. Welcome to today's online class. Our topic for today is ìṣẹ̀dá ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ, another phase of nominalization. In our last class, we looked at affixation, nominalization with the use of affixation. Today, we'll be looking at nominalization with the use of repetition. Àti lo àfòmọ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ àti àárín ni a máa wo àpètúnpè. And these are the things, the ways we nominalize word from one word class to another. These are what we'll be looking at today. In our last class, we talked on àfòmọ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ and àárín. Today we'll look at àpètúnpè. So repetition is a way in which we nominalize words. We have two types of repetition. Oríṣi àpètúnpè méjì ló wà ní àpètúnpè ẹlẹ́bẹ̀ àti àpètúnpè kíkún. Àpètúnpè ẹlẹ́bẹ̀ is a partial repetition. Àpètúnpè kíkún is the full repetition or complete repetition. So let's look at it one after the other. For example, just as you have on your screen, you have so, seesaw. Now we're going to remove the initial vowel and replace it with I, ta, tita, pè, pípè, fẹ́, fífẹ́, pọ́n, pípọ́n, rù, rírù, gbé, gbígbé. You will notice that we have removed all initial vowels and replaced it with vowel I. Yes, that's how we do our partial repetition. Do you get it? That's how the partial repetition is being done. By removing the initial vowel and replacing it with vowel I. Vowel I. Vowel I. That's how you replace it to get your partial repetition. Are you comprehending? Very good. Now we'll look at the full repetition. Àpètúnpè kíkún. Don't forget, partial repetition is àpètúnpè ẹlẹ́bẹ̀. This one is full repetition. Where you have ọdún, 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 will give you ọdọọdún, oṣooṣù, ojoojúmọ́, jagun, jagun, pẹja, pẹja, wọlé, wọlé, gbẹ́nà, gbẹ́nà. I hope you understand. This is a full repetition. So let's look at the evaluation. Kọ oríṣi ọ̀nà méjì tí à ń gbà ṣẹ̀dá ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ. Give me two ways in which we nominalize words. Kọ àpẹẹrẹ ọ̀rọ̀ méjì tí a ṣẹ̀dá nípa lílo àpètúnpè. Give me two words that we have used in nominalizing words.